We've got some friends coming over and we are really excited to try out a couple different dishes from Sunrise Foods. We're gonna put the sauce in. While that's going, I'm gonna put the teriyaki chicken, which is right here, in the oven. The lo mein is almost done now. Now we're gonna pull out the chicken. Just pull the chicken out, it's nice and crispy. I'm gonna pull this out and then put this with the sauce. For the teriyaki chicken.
And now to enjoy some delicious dinner. So you saw when I put it in here hot and steamy, 2.5 hours later, it was in this bowl, no bleed through at all. The products are holding up great. See ya, have a great night.